embarrassing, really. Makes me sad, but... Okay. Let's go ahead and reference the photo and see what we got here. Okay, so black first. Alright, that's an easy one. If this works, I'm going to be shocked. Hey, what's up, Tricky McGee? Nice to see you. Switch to smoking for game releases, and I don't know, man. I've been kind of underwhelmed with the Switch releases for this year. Maybe next year they'll be more exciting, but this year I'm like, I don't know, man. The new Luigi might be kind of cool, but... Carly, you have a good night. Oh my god. This is such a bigger project than I'm ready to take on right now. What do you think of Astral Chain? Hey, King Kane. I played Astral Chain for maybe like 10 minutes at home yesterday, and it was really boring. I'm sure that it will get better because it seemed to get amazing reviews, and I really like most of the things that Platinum Games have put out. So I'm sure it's going to be really awesome, but so far I am bored. I'm sure it'll be better, though. Can't wait to play Panty Party for the Switch. You and me both, brother. I'm sure everyone's looking forward to Panty Party here. I'm loving it in Platinum Games as well. King, what did you think of like the first 10 minutes, like the introduction? Like, so I'm sorry, I always compare things by Platinum Games to Bayonetta 2, and I'll say the first mission of Bayonetta 2 is incredible. It's very exciting. It's awesome. It's fun to play. The introduction to Astral Chain so far has been so fucking boring. I can't even believe it. It's putting me to sleep. It's like the most boring motorcycle scene of all time. But I'm sure Astral Chain gets better. I'm just kind of literally, like I said, I played it 10 minutes, so I have no opinion yet. You know what I mean? Astral Chain does pick up. I'm sure it does. I mean, I saw its scores everywhere were like 9 out of 10. So, I'm looking forward to seeing more of it. Alright, next up is our white cable. Let's see here. Here we go. White cable in. Hold on. It's kind of hard. You need to bring it to a fine tip, so I'm going to just keep licking it. Kind of like your hair. There we go. Okay, got it through. This is like surgery right now. If we get this working, you guys owe me nothing. But you should owe me $1 million. So I have ascended to video game repairing godhood, which is quite the exaggeration, but basically what I'm saying is I would like a lot of credit for this if I get this shit working. Alright. Hey Middle Fork, thanks for the follow. Welcome. Alright, green is next. Let's get the green working. You have faith in me? Thank you, Jaeger. If it doesn't work, what do we get? 1 million gift subs. It will not clear. You don't think that it'll work? You might be right. I'm making progress, though. I'm halfway done. Now I'm halfway